Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to teach you how to make slime with dish soap, glue, and water. And it's pretty easy. It's going to be fluffy, nice and fluffy. And yeah, let's get started. I'm going to show you the steps, show you how to do it, and it's going to be fun. So yeah. It already has like a tiny bit of glue from the last batch of slime that I made. But what you're going to start with is some dish soap. You don't really need a lot, but enough. Enough till it fills up the container. Then you're going to take a container of dish soap. And you're going to get a little bit of water. So just put some water in there. Maybe put a little too much, but it doesn't matter. You can always fix it by just adding a little bit more dish soap. So once you did that, just mix it up. Or you can use a bowl. You don't have to use a container. A bowl would probably be a little bit easier. But I'm just doing this because the container is right here. Yeah, I just made slime, so I might as well use this since I was just making slime. Continue mixing it until it gets to a nice consistency. So once it looks something like that, let's add some glue. So just got done finished pouring all the glue in there. I added 2 bottles. Depending on how much glue you have, you can add 2 or more. But I had 2 bottles, so I added 2. So you're just gonna mix it up. And you're gonna continue mixing until it gets to a nice consistency. And I'm gonna be back after I'm done mixing. Hey guys, so once you mix it and stuff, you like mix it and you knead it, it's gonna see like a little bit like a wet consistency, but just leave it alone for like 3 minutes. Then it's gonna turn it's like the dishwashing liquid. It's gonna turn like the dishwashing liquid. It's gonna like, you know, seem like a little wet. So you're just gonna add like salt, not a lot of salt, but not like a lot of salt. And then it's gonna just mix it and let it sit, and it's gonna turn into like a mud type consistency. So just mix it. I'll show you the slime, but I don't know what kind of slime to call it. But it's gonna turn. It's like a real thick slime. It's thick slime. It's not really like fluffy but it's like a real thick slime, and it's like a little crunchy. But it's perfect. I like this kind of slime. I made this up. Well, I didn't make it up. I don't know if someone else made it, but I made this recipe up by myself. But I'll show you guys what it will look like once you mix it and once the salt and stuff dissolves. So yeah. So once you put the salt and stuff in, this is what it will look like. It's like kind of like a hard type of slime. I like this kind of slime. It's like a squishy ball type of consistency. It's like a stress ball. So once you put it in pour everything into a bowl. You can pour everything. Pour everything into a bowl. And then just mix it up in the bowl. 10 or water stuff. It's going to turn into a stress ball. It's like hard. It's like turns into a stress ball. And you're going to put it into a strainer and then put it in the microwave for like 10 seconds, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. Wave it. This is what it will look like. The water will turn into like that. And the ball will get like a little bit harder, but it's still squishy. So you're gonna take the ball out, and you can, but you can keep this if you want to. Like the water consistency, you can put it into like a container or something. This is what it looks like. Little pieces of it, and then once you start to knead the little pieces, it's gonna turn into like mini hard slime. Not hard, but it's like squishy, but it's not that squishy. So it's like basically like a stress ball type slime. I mean, it's fun to play with and squeeze. Like a ball, stress ball. It's hard to rip holes through it. Actually, it took a lot for me to put my thumb through it. It's like a stress ball type, but once you squish it, like, the hole goes away. It's fun to play with. If you don't want like all this like soap stuff on it, just put it in a strainer and like pour the water out. Or if you can keep it to make the stress ball nice and squishy if you like playing with the bubbles and stuff. And you can use the leftover stuff, like the water, to make, as you can see, if you mix the water around a little bit, you can make more of this. So it's basically like slime where it's like a nice squishy stress ball slime. You have to throw the mixture away if you don't want to, because it'll make more stress ball slime. And I don't know if I'm the first person to make this. Hopefully I am. Alright, YouTube, I will see you later in my next video. It's fun to play with. Fun to play with, not to eat. But I like it. Nice stress ball slime. You can put it in a mixture and make it, if you like the noise. If not, you can take it out. It's going to turn, if you like, put it in a strainer and like wet this a little bit and wash all the threads and stuff off of it, it's going to turn into like a hard stress ball. So it's fun either way. It's nice either way. So yeah, guys, see you in the next video.